Windows 10 Start Menu. Customizing the Windows 10 Start menu is an easy process. To begin, let's click the Start button in the lower left-hand corner. The Start menu appears and is divided into 3 sections. You'll notice on the left the power settings, the gear, which allows you to get to your settings, and account information. In the center, you have the area where you can browse for applications. And you have 2 options as far as locating applications. You can scroll to browse, or you can select a letter that begins the start of the application name. Once you've located your application, you can add it to the tiled section, which is the 3rd area that you see on the right. I can right-click on Publisher 2016 and pin it to start. Once the tile has been displayed, I can reposition it to a new location. Simply click the tile and drag it so that it slides in with the other Microsoft applications. Notice at the top of a group are names. Let's add another application to the list. This time, we'll search for the application. Click the search button on the taskbar and type Adobe Acrobat Reader. Acrobat Reader pops up in the list, and we can add this to the Start menu. Again, if I right-click, I can simply pin it to the Start from here. Now when I click the Start button, Adobe Reader is part of the Start applications. I can move this to a new location and create a new group if I want to. Simply click above the application tile and type the name that you desire. Press Enter to complete the process. If you need to change it, you can simply click to the right of it and edit. You can also change the size of the tiles. Right-click on the tile to change the size of it. Choose the Resize option and select from one of the tile choices. This tile has small and medium. Small is 1/4 of the medium size. I can also take any tile and create a shortcut on the desktop if I prefer. We'll drag OneNote to the desktop to create a shortcut. I can now launch OneNote from the shortcut on the desktop or by using the Start menu, depending on where I already am. If you prefer to launch applications from the taskbar, go to the Start menu, right-click on an application tile or the application in the applications list, and choose More, Pin to Taskbar. Now I can launch Excel from the tile in my Start menu or simply by clicking the icon located on the taskbar. To remove these customizations, you can right-click on an application and unpin from Start, and the application disappears. We have not uninstalled anything. You can see that Acrobat Reader is still in the applications list. However, you can right-click on an application and uninstall it if you choose to. To remove the button from the taskbar, right-click on it and simply unpin from taskbar. To remove the shortcut from the desktop, select the shortcut and press the Delete key. Now we have completed customizing the Start menu.